At AdvantageLumber.com, we believe you shouldn't have to choose between performance and price. Introducing 1x6 Plus, it's actually the best of both worlds. It's premium hardwood performance and beauty while saving you as much as 20% on your project. So what is 1x6 Plus? So here is your standard 5/4x6, which actually is a net 1-inch board. And here it is, the 1x6 Plus, which is a hairline shy of 7/8 of an inch. You get similar production, you get similar performance and longevity while significantly saving on your project. The 1x6 Plus profile offers unmatched flexibility. It's the perfect choice for decking, siding, and ceiling applications. It's available in eBay, Cumaru, Tigerwood, and Teak. 1x6 Plus gives you the performance you demand and the savings you're looking for, all with factory direct quality you can trust. Experience the best of both worlds with 1x6 Plus exclusively at AdvantageLumber.com. Don't forget to ask for your sample box. See you next time.